Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into some exciting Python code that builds a smart API capable of understanding PDF documents using AI. Imagine you have a bunch of PDFs, research papers, reports, articles, and you want to quickly understand what they're about without reading every single page. This code creates a web service, an API, that lets you upload a PDF, and it uses Google's powerful Gemini AI model, orchestrated by a framework called CrewAI, to analyze and summarize the document for you. Let's break down how it works. 1. The foundation, FastAPI. First up, we're using FastAPI. Think of FastAPI as the friendly front door to our application. It's a modern Python web framework that makes building APIs super fast and efficient. It handles incoming web requests, like when a user wants to upload a PDF. Our code defines an endpoint, specifically /process_pdf Gemini/. When you send a PDF file to this address using an HTTP POST request, which is a standard way web applications talk to each other, FastAPI catches it. 2. Handling the PDF. Once FastAPI receives the PDF file, it doesn't just pass it along. It first checks if it's actually a PDF. If not, it sends back an error. If it is a PDF, the code uses a library called pypdf2. This library is like a PDF specialist. Its job is to open the PDF, go through each page, and extract all the readable text. It reads the PDF content, figures out how many pages there are, and then carefully pulls out the text from each page, joining it all together into one big block of text. 3. Setting up the AI brain, Gemini and CrewAI. Now for the really cool part, the AI. We need to connect to Google's Gemini model. The code first looks for your secret API key, which you store securely in a .env file, never directly in the code, to authenticate with Google. It then uses a library, specifically CrewAI, to set up the connection to the Gemini model you've chosen, like Gemini 1.5 Pro latest. We're using CrewAI's own LLM class here, which helps manage the interaction with the language model. 4. The AI team, CrewAI agents and tasks. This is where CrewAI shines. Instead of just sending the whole PDF text to the AI and hoping for the best, CrewAI lets us define specialized AI agents with specific roles and goals. In our code, we create 2 agents. Document Analyst, its goal is to read the PDF text and perform a deep analysis, identifying the main topic, key arguments, and the overall structure. Content Summarizer, this agent takes the analysis from the first agent and its goal is to write a concise, easy-to-understand summary. We then define specific tasks for these agents. Task Analyze instructs the Document Analyst agent to perform its analysis on the extracted PDF text. Task Summarize instructs the Content Summarizer agent to create the summary, using the output of the analysis task as context. 5. Running the crew. Finally, we put these agents and tasks together into a crew. We tell the crew to run the tasks sequentially, first analyze, then summarize. The processing_crew.kickoff command starts the process. CrewAI handles sending the right information and instructions to the Gemini model via the agents and tasks. 6. The result. Once the CrewAI agents have finished their work, analysis and summarization, the final result, the summary generated by the summarizer agent, is captured. FastAPI then takes this result and sends it back to whoever made the original request, along with the original file name, confirming that the PDF was processed successfully. In a nutshell. So, this Python script sets up a web server using FastAPI. When you send it a PDF, it uses pypdf2 to extract the text. Then, it uses CrewAI to manage a team of AI agents, powered by Google Gemini, one to analyze the text and another to summarize the analysis. The final summary is then sent back to you. It's a powerful combination of web development, PDF handling, and AI orchestration to create a genuinely useful tool for understanding documents quickly. That's the core idea behind this code. Hope this breakdown was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.